Hi guys, good morning. Today is September 28, 2024. So this is the first time of my Apo Pio for his breakfast. With cousin Prince and with Pio's sister, my beautiful Apo Pia, and my beautiful daughter-in-law, and my son Philip. So guys, this is our healthy breakfast for today. And the cook, Lolo Ato. Yeah. Okay, we are having our healthy breakfast. We have a ripe papaya, bread and pansit, palamigan, sinapot, corn, fries. Yan si Prince.
Yan ang breakfast ni Dick.
Yan. Ayan, we are having our outdoor breakfast in our garden. You eat pansit. Oh guys, abangan ang aming Albay adventure later after our breakfast. Bye guys! See you in Albay Wildlife, in Cagsawa Ruins, and in Somlang Lake. Bye!